Hi, I'm Mansi Srivastav and in this video we will discuss about the table tag in HTML. So what is actually a table? A table in HTML is a two-dimensional matrix consisting of rows and columns. The table tag defines an HTML table. An HTML table contains a set of columns and actual data rows, and each row consists of one or more cells which can either be head or data cell. Header cell is defined with the th tag. Data row is defined using the tr tag. This is shown here with a basic example. Now, the various attributes included in the table are: the align attribute controls horizontal alignment, valign controls vertical alignment, width sets width to a specific number of pixels, border controls border to be placed around the table, cell padding controls distance between data in cell and boundaries of the cell, row span allows a cell to take up more than one row, call span attribute merges columns. Caption tag controls placing of caption with respect to the table. So now let's see the practical implementation of these attributes. A table often needs to be given a heading. This can be given using the th tag inside the tr tag. We can also provide the reader with the information contained in the table. This can be provided to the table using the caption tag. The width attribute sets the space that a cell takes. The following HTML code shows the use of the three attributes. I have specified the width as 50 and the caption as personal experience, which gives the following web page. Now, as you can see in the following web page, that the text starts from the left, that is, it is connected to the border's edge. In order to give some space between text and corners, we can use the cell padding tag. For example, in this code, I specify the cell padding as 30, which gives the following web page. It is very clear from the web page that the difference between a table without cell padding and a table with cell padding. There is space between the border and the text here. Similarly, if we want to change the color of the table, we can use the background color attribute. The background color attribute is used not only to change the color of the web page, but also to change color of each cell and also to change the color of the text contained. For example, here I have set the background color as light green of the web page, while I have set the background color of the cell as blue, violet, it's black, red, and the color of the text in it as white, red, white, blue, which gives the following web page. Now, if we want to merge two rows or two columns or more than two rows and columns, so we can use this using the call span and row span. As discussed earlier, call span is used to merge the columns while row span is used to merge the rows. For example, in this code, I wish to merge two rows, so I use 2 in the row span, and I wish to merge three columns, so I set 3 using the call span attribute, which gives the following output. As we can see, here we have merged three columns and two rows. So, these are the different attributes and tag inside a table which we can use for designing a table.